So the great minds at Apple created this amazing watch. But the big question is, how do you take off this band? Let's say, for example, you got this as a gift, or maybe you want to change it and get something else. It is pretty simple to do so, but never try to force get this thing out, because it's never gonna get out. So how do you do it? It's very simple. First thing you want to do is to open them up like this. Next step is to go all the way in the back, and you're going to be seeing right here, this is a specific thing right here that you press on, right there. When you press on this all the way down, you have to apply a little bit of force to this. Now you're going to have to move this to this side, this band right here. If you don't do this correctly, it's not going to come out. And it can only come out one way. So make sure you use a bit of a nails in there, dig it all the way in, and now try to get it out and see if it comes out. And this is not simple for you to do. There we go. So by applying enough force in here, you're able to take it off on one side, and you do the same thing on the other side as well. And if it doesn't go in, just keep on pressing it until it goes all the way inside. And then apply a little bit of force, sliding it only on one side. This is important. Remember, this is where the tickle is. So you make sure you slide it against the tickle all the way this way until it comes out. And if you do have to put another one in, you just slide it all the way back in. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, The Geek Tech Show. Lots of other cool videos are coming soon to this channel as well. Now, how do I put this back in? Wrong way. Oh, is there a wrong way? Oh, there we go. Okay. And voila, it's done.